left. If I go straight in at me, you think that'll be alright?
You what?
Yeah. Just go straight in.
So left to right to left.